Okay, so today I'll be going over how to perform the sit and reach test. The sit and reach test measures the flexibility in your hamstrings and your lower back area. What you'd want to do is set up a mat, a yoga mat on the ground. I don't have a yoga mat right now, but if you were at a gym or if we were in phys ed class, we would be able to have one, and we could set up the tape on the mat accordingly. Right now, I just have my tape measure out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit behind the tape measure, and I'm going to make sure my heels are at 15 inches. Right, so once my heels are at 15 inches, I'm going to make sure that my legs are about 12 inches apart. Right, so that should be about shoulders width length. Your legs should be that far apart while you're reaching, right? So I'm going to sit down, make sure my heels are at 15 inches with my calves touching the ground. All right? So 15 inches is right here. My heels are right there, right? You want your toes pointed up, heels 12 inches apart, right? Right about shoulders width length. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my fingers over each other, right? One hand on top of the other. I'm going to start here, and I'm going to reach forward while my calves are staying on the ground and my toes are pointed up, right? And I'm going to put my chin into my chest and reach forward and get my number, right? So you would give, whoever is going, you would want to give them 2 tries, right? Because usually your second try is your best try, right? So this would be my first try, right? Chin down, toes up, and then this would be my second try, right? So I would take down that number, and that would be my sit and reach number, right? So I'll give it one more try so I can mark down my own number. Okay, and that's how you perform the sit and reach test.